Hi, my name is EJ. Welcome to Clairette Wood Fired, and my drink is the Take It Easy. We're going to start with our Komos Rosa Reposado tequila. Then we're going to add fresh squeezed lime juice, Clairette simple syrup, Tingala, high proof mezcal, banana liqueur, flower power simple syrup, and lavender rose to the bottom of the glass. Add ice, shake, fine strain, and a flower garnish. Here at Clairette, we've recently transitioned to a wood-fired grill, introducing Chef Jeff Blome with a zero waste philosophy, high-end food, high-end cocktails with the neighborhood feel. I chose Komos Rosa Reposado tequila because of the fact that it's aged in French barrels. It gives it a beautiful hue that also balances perfectly with the Tingala and also the 100 proof mezcal that's in it. They're a firm believer in upcycling, which fits right into exactly what we're trying to do, which is a no-waste kitchen and bar program. Thank you for watching. My name is EJ at Clairette Wood Fired. You've just witnessed the Take It Easy.